Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode of The Importance of Cells. So, you may not realize it, but there are cells all around us. And there are two types of cells, plant cells and animal cells. Every living thing is made up of cells. So, there are two differences between the plant and animal cells. The plant cells have two extra organelles, the cell wall, which is an outer layer of the cell that protects it, and then chloroplasts, which are green. They make the cell green. And they make what's called chlorophyll, which is why leaves are green for most of the year. When leaves change color in the fall, it's because the chlorophyll wears off. So anyway, enough about that. Let's see some examples of plant and animal cells in your daily lives. So let's start with this chair. It's just a chair. It's non-living, but it's made of trees, which is a plant. And there's still plant cells in this. They're dead, but they're still plant cells. Same with that cardboard box and that napkin. And then here are some actual plants, living plants. They are green and they are alive. And they're made up of plant cells, just like plants. And then all these cupboards are wooden. And the tissues, and the pencils, and the paper, and the paper towels, and that wooden knife holder. So there are a bunch of examples of plant cells. Now let's talk about animal cells. There are not as many animal cells in your house as there are plant cells, unless you have a really big family. But if you don't have a big family, then mostly just plant cells. But animal cells, if you have a pet, which I don't, but if you have a pet, then you actually have an animal cells that are actually animals. And there are skin cells and the cells inside us. And when we get sick, no matter how major or minor it is, it's because of a dysfunction in cells. So anyway, that's all I have to say, and that's all for this episode. Stay tuned for episode number 2, and see you then. Bye.